Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to be looking at a new one from Olivia Rodrigo, Maggots for Brains. This is one of my favorites from her new album. It's super simple. There are only 4 chords, 2 patterns. First, we'll learn those 4 chords individually, and then we'll look at the 2 different patterns that we use them in to make up this song, and then we'll try some of it out together. Let's get going. First chord of the song, chord we start on, end on, it's A major, it's the key of the piece. A, C sharp, E, A major, A, C sharp, E. The second chord of the piece we're gonna go to is a D major. D, F sharp, A, D major, D, F sharp, A. The third chord is an F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp. We get a minor chord, dark sound. F sharp, A, white key, C sharp. Black, white, black. That's our F sharp minor. And the fourth and final chord is our E major. E, G sharp, B. E, G sharp, B. That's E major. Those are the 4 chords we needed for this song. Let's look at the 2 patterns they come up in. Our verse pattern. We start with the A. We go to the D. Same order we learned them in. F sharp minor. And then the E. We do each of those for about 4 beats. An A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, F sharp minor, 3, 4, E, back and forth, it repeats. Try it in 2 hands. In my left hand, I add the roots, the name of the chord. So on my A, I just add an A down here. Thickens the texture, makes it more intense for the more intense parts of the song. On the pre-chorus, we're just gonna sit on that D chord. Right, we have 2 little bars of that in between each verse and chorus. We go to D, da da D, and we're ready for the chorus pattern. It starts on A major again. We're gonna do it for twice as long. 2 full bars. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then go to F sharp minor, also for 2 bars. Then to D major. 2 bars of that. And end it with an A major again. And then we turn around and repeat that. A bookends. So the chorus in 2 hands, got my A up here, A roots in the left. A 1, 2, I'm a zombie in my body. F sharp minor, D major, A major, restart. Woman in that F sharp minor, but we go to D major, bookend A, my baby goes away, play through, same pattern, baby goes away. And it's the same pattern for the bridge and the outro. Start on A for 2 whole bars, then to F sharp, then to D, bookend with A. Something like that. Go back, practice the chords, practice makes better. Keep playing with me, like, subscribe, comment. I love talking with you. I'll see you on the next video. Play on!